All right, don't sleep on this if you have an Evo 10 or a Ralliart. Today we're going to talk about relays, and specifically the fuel pump relay. So on Evo 10s and Ralliarts, the relays are known to go bad, and this is bad news for your fuel pump and your supporting relays for your fuel system. There have been various stories where people didn't know that their fuel pump relay went bad, and essentially they blew their motor because they leaned out. So in order to avoid this problem, what you want to do is get a fuel relay kit. And they're available from a few different sources. MA Performance, which is where I got mine from. STM Tuned is another. And I believe Cosmic also has a fuel relay kit. The MA Performance kit essentially comes with 3 of these orange relays and 1 of these gray ones. Okay, so coming over to the fuse block, these are the relays that you're going to replace using the kit. So the first one's going to be this gray one right here. I'm not exactly sure what part of the fuel system it's related to. I think injectors, but regardless, this is the gray one that you replace from the kit. Second one is going to be this relay right here, and that's specifically the fuel pump relay. So that's the second one. Third one's going to be this relay right here, and that is the injector relay. So that's the third one. And the fourth one is this one right here, and that's your throttle, actuator, remote, relay, something like that, however it's named, but that's the fourth one. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you replace your relays, periodically so you don't blow your motor.